You've already added pages to your family folder in your homeroom course. What we're going to do now is we're going to take a look at those pages that you added to make sure that we have a good understanding of what our families will see when they go there. You've already customized the information and curriculum page and the helping at home page. So you're going to spend some time looking at the school and classroom culture page. This page outlines responsive classroom, as well as shares self-control strategies that were shared by our counselors that are across buildings. The next page that you're going to look at is the Schoology and Skyward page. There's a little graphic so families know what to find where, and there's a short video. Watch this video so that you know what parents know about Schoology and how to use it to access the Mastery Gradebook and to find out what their child is learning.